One of the fringe benefits of adopting enterprise architecture is the ability for you to integrate it with a configuration management database. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can integrate an enterprise architecture platform known as Essential Cloud with ServiceNow, the popular configuration management, or should I rather call it IT service management platform. So let me share my screen. So I believe you can see my screen now. There are a couple of prerequisites that you should have running before starting this video. And before I even start, another good news about this is that you don't have to pay anything to get started with this demonstration. There's a personal developer instance that you can provision on ServiceNow and you can use it to start running. Also, the enterprise architecture platform that we are using also have an open source version, so you can also leverage some of that to get started. So as I said earlier on, there are some prerequisites. The first thing is that you should have a ServiceNow account created, personal developer created. If you don't have, all you need to do is visit this URL, developer.servicenow.com. You can create a free account and your instance will be running in just a few minutes. So the first thing I'll be doing is I'll come over to manage my instance. This is from the home page. I clicked on manage my instance. Then I'll click on yeah, so you should activate a couple of plugins, especially the integration hub plugins, because we are integrating it with Essential Cloud. So this, you can see all of this activated, activated, activated. So I've activated. The only one I didn't activate is Google because I don't need that for this demonstration. So you need to activate this plugin. It's very straightforward to activate the plugin. Just click on activate plugin and you'll be good to go. So the next thing I will do is I'll come over to start building. I'll click on start building. Yeah, so it's opening now. Okay. So as I said earlier on, one thing that is very important in this video, I said we want to have our cmdb integrated. Even before I come over here, I want you to see how configuration item works. So I'll come to workspace, I'll come to cmdb workspace. Yeah, so I will scroll down. So under these quick links, I'll click to create a CI. CI is configuration item. Okay, so now I want to create a configuration item. So the first thing I need to do is to specify the class. So there are different classes that describe different type of configuration item. So I need to decide the one I want to choose. When we do audit, when we assess control, and you hear things like configuration management, and it's always been seen as something very theoretical, but there's a lot of technical aspects to it, and that is what ServiceNow does for us. So I want to specify the one that's pertain to my servers. So you can see different configuration items here. We have the one for applications, we have the one for server, business service, and for some that are more specific to different products. So what I'll be doing is I want something very simple. So I'll just go with the one for servers. Should I go with servers or applications? So let's see the one for applications again. So I can pick any one. You can see the one for application cmdb underscore ci underscore appl. Okay. Should I go with applications? So let me go with application. So continue. So you can see I've chosen application.